Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to restore OneDrive PC. To start, right-click on the Start menu and select Run. There, you are going to paste the command that we left you in the description of the video and that you see on the screen. When you click OK, you can see that it opens the File Explorer in your OneDrive folder. After a moment, we will be notified that the OneDrive reset was successful. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.